Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and living your best life. Today, we're exploring something fascinating: how staying creative can keep you young, both mentally and physically. Whether it's painting, writing, dancing, or even gardening, creativity isn't just about self-expression. It's a powerful tool for longevity. Studies show that engaging in creative activities helps keep your brain sharp. It strengthens neural connections and promotes neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to adapt and grow even as you age. Creativity also lowers stress by putting you in a state of flow. That feeling where you lose track of time because you're so focused on the task at hand. Lower stress means better heart health, improved immunity, and even a longer lifespan. And here's a bonus: creativity connects you with others. Whether you're joining a class or collaborating on a project, those social interactions are key to mental well-being and emotional resilience. Not all creativity has to be social, though. Even solo activities like journaling or crafting can spark joy and give you a sense of purpose, which is critical for staying young at heart. The best part? It's never too late to start. Whether you're rediscovering an old hobby or picking up something entirely new, creativity keeps your brain and body engaged, helping you feel younger, no matter your age. Thanks for tuning in to Health Options 101. What's your favorite way to stay creative? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you live your healthiest, most vibrant life. See you next time.